In this case, the entry is depreciation written off on machinery, rupees 2000. Let us see how we'll rectify in case this entry was not recorded or it was not posted to machinery account, and in third case if it was not posted to depreciation account. Now students, had this been recorded correctly, the entry would have been depreciation to machinery. Depreciation is a nominal account, so debit all expenses and losses, and the machinery's balance would be reduced by rupees 2000. So just to keep in mind, the correct entry is depreciation to machinery. Now the first is it was not recorded. Since it was not recorded, that means it is a case of omission. That means this particular entry has been omitted altogether. So in such case, there is no need for rectification. What we'll do is just to record this entry. It was omitted earlier, so record it now. The entry would be depreciation account debited to machinery. Amount is 2000. Remember, there is no need for rectification in any account. This entry was not recorded earlier, so we are just merely recording it now. Narration would be being depreciation charged earlier omitted, now recorded. Just to make it clear that we had failed to record this entry earlier and now we have recorded it. Now in second case, it was not posted to machinery account. Students, just recall the correct entry. The correct entry is depreciation to machinery. That means machinery account should have been credited, but in this case it was not posted to machinery account. That means the necessary credit in the machinery account is not reflected. So what we'll do is credit the machinery account now to machinery account, and in debit we'll write suspense account. Since it is a single-sided error, it would be rectified using suspense account, assuming that the trial balance has been prepared and suspense account has been created. So the amount would be 2000. Narration would be being depreciation not posted to machinery account, now rectified. In third case, it was not posted to depreciation account. Now again recalling the correct entry. The correct entry is depreciation to machinery. So in this case, depreciation account should have been debited, which was not done so, as is reflected because it is clearly mentioned that it was not posted to depreciation account. That means depreciation was not debited. So how to rectify it? Debit depreciation now. That is depreciation account debited to suspense account. Since it was a single-sided error, there was only one account, that was depreciation account, that was affected, so it will be corrected or rectified through suspense account. Narration would be being depreciation not recorded earlier, now rectified, and in this case the amount would be same, rupees 2000.